Last one. Last one of the day. Very good read, guys.
Alright, so basically I'll just start explaining the activity just as Chase is handing it out. We're not going to, originally we were going to have us read through the entire thing. We're just going to read the last paragraph. So as he's passing out the paper, I numbered each paragraph. And so we're going to be focused on paragraph number 6. So that's the last paragraph at the bottom of the page. Once you get your paper and, not 6, that's just 6. Once you guys get your paper and you find 6 on the paper, please put your pointer finger on number 6 and then give me a thumbs up. So that we know we're ready to go. Alright, so what we're doing, alright, thanks for your thumbs, you can put your thumbs up. Alright, so what we're doing today is we're doing modeling of how to deal with difficult words. So we're going to have, can I have a volunteer to read through paragraph 6 for me? That paragraph that I spoke you guys through.
What justice there is when it is governed by the racist prejudiced men. Just because she is of the Chinese descent, not because she don't dress like you, because she does, just because she is descended of Chinese parents, I guess she is more of an American than a good man would view that is going to prevent her being educated.
Alright, so now that we've read it one time, we're going to go through it one more time, but in your table groups, let's underline 2 to 3 words that you guys would think would be a little bit more difficult. Alright, I'll give you guys about, let's go with like 1 minute, okay?
From just paragraph 6?
Just from paragraph 6.
Alright, sweet. Let's do it.
What words do we find difficult, guys?
Filming yourself.
You guys can work together on this too.
Cool.
Can I work with you?
Yeah. I know what that means.
Prejudice is hard.
You're new with it.
Governed is hard.
Don't say that.
You're like the ones that we put on the unit.
Just wait. After we're done with school today, and we both go in the high pixel server, I'm gonna destroy you.
You're gonna destroy.
Yeah.
He said put your
Yeah, I'll beat you.
and I'm like,
We're both always suck.
What are we doing over here, guys? I found 4 words.
very good, very good.
Yeah.
Alright, hey, can we bring everyone back in? Alright, so now Chase is going to write some of these words up. Can we get one example from each table? So if we do table 1, can we get an example of a difficult word you guys found? Any of you guys?
Caroline said American.
American? Very difficult. Good answer. That's okay. That's good. Brian, you got one for me?
I want to know what descended means.
Descended? Alright. Brian's table back there, can we get an example? Thatcher, any of you guys?
Well, I didn't hear what everybody else said, but I said Chinese.
Chinese? Okay.
We're gonna go with prejudice.
Prejudice?
Yeah.
Alright. I like prejudice. Prejudice, that's a good one.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's
He got me back. He got me
I
back. No, I complimented him before. He got
Very
me
good,
back.
very good answers, very good answers. But for the purpose of modeling, I think prejudice would be a good one to focus on. So we're going to be using a word strategy called word solving. So we're going to be looking back into the text and looking for different words throughout the sentence to try and figure out what it means. So let's go back to paragraph 6, that first sentence that says prejudice in it, okay? And so, does anyone know any synonyms of prejudice that we could maybe write on the board? Any volunteers?
Bias.
Bias, that's a good one. Any other ones? Prejudice. Synonyms of the word prejudice.
Racist.
Racist, alright, good answer. Any more? Can we get like 2 more?
Ableist.
Ableist, what does that mean?
Good example when you told Josh to put his thumb on it.
Discrimination against people with disabilities.
Yes.
Discriminatory.
Discriminatory? That's pretty good. That's really good.
that was a word.
That's a really big word.
Alright, so we're looking at that 6th paragraph. We can infer that the word right before prejudice is racist. So she's being prejudged because of her race, because she is a Chinese student. So we can, when we're going back and reading again, we can, if we didn't originally understand what prejudice means, we can use those outside words in that sentence to understand that she's being prejudged or there's prejudice against Mammy Tate because she is Chinese and that's why she's not being heard.
And with that, what Mr. Richard is talking about there, he's using the inside strategy. He's looking within the word to help you break it down. This is by, as you can see up there, it's using the prefixes and the suffixes and the root words to break it down from prejudice to prejudge. So in order to help yourself understand more complex words that you may be struggling with, if you can break it down, you can find similar words that are in it that can help you describe it. Like the prejudice part, if he breaks it down into pre, they're judging beforehand, which is where the pre comes from. That kind of makes sense.
That's all we have.